Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to make Islam and Muslim in Infinite Craft. First of all, we add earth. Add earth to the other side. Then, add water with earth, and it will become a plant. Combine plant with plant, and it will become a tree. Add wind to the other side. Combine plant with wind, and it will become a dandelion. Add water to the dandelion, and it will become wine. Mix water with wine, and it will become holy water. Add holy water to battery, and it will become Jesus. Add earth to the other side. Combine wind with earth, and it will become dust. Add dust to dust, and it will become sand. Add sand with sand, and it will become a desert. Add wine to the other side. Combine holy water with wine, and it will become Catholic Church. Add Catholic Church with Jesus, and it will become Christianity. Combine desert with Christianity, and it will become Islam. Now you can see Islam has been created in Infinite Craft. Next, we will make Muslim in Infinite Craft. For this, we add Jesus with Islam, and it will become Muslim. Now you can see Muslim has been created in Infinite Craft. That's the way to make Muslim and Islam in Infinite Craft. If you want more videos like this, please comment in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.